Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to move Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to move your Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone, you just simply have to open your Microsoft Authenticator application into your current phone, and after opening the application, you will get to see your currently logged in account into here. Now just simply tap into three dots and go to settings in order to enable this cloud backup option. Now just simply enable this cloud backup, and after that your datas including all the passwords and pin codes will be backed up to your recovery email. Then after that you just simply have to log out from here, and then after logging out you just simply have to log into another new phone where you want to log in. This way you can easily move your Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone without losing your datas. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.